All right, let's see if we can catch anything tonight. The moon is in and out of the clouds, but it looks like the clouds are probably going to break up here in a minute, and fingers crossed we catch a nice time lapse of the lunar eclipse. The clouds cleared up. It's beautiful out now. We've got some real thin cirrus clouds look like to deal with, but other than that, the moon is looking very good. Give you a shot. See there? Looks like we maybe get lucky and get some nice video time lapse of the eclipse tonight or this morning.